Capitec app on a new phone. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first thing first, you have to install Capitec account in your mobile phone. Once you have installed it, simply go to sign in and add your login credentials. Then there are basically 4 steps in order to activate your app. The first one is to enter your account number, then enter your PIN, then verify your identity by taking a quick selfie, and just like that you can now start using your Capitec app on your new device. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.